Today we're going to work on license plate lights. So the old fitting, this rubber piece damaged the paint right here pretty good. This is the old thing. You can tell that it's destroyed and sticks out too far, looks hideous. Replacements are rather expensive. The other one broke in my hands. You'd have to go back to the beginning of the series, but I'm holding this thing and it just disintegrates. So I searched around and I found these on the Super Bright LED website. Same lights I'm running over here. So this is going to feed through the hole. And we'll have a license plate light. So now the problem is there's an extra hole. So what do? Put bolts in there? Have this messed up paint showing? I worked on it pretty good. I couldn't get it to... I would have to sand it and buff it, and around these holes you're just going to damage the paint even worse. So what I did, got some scrap aluminum, painted it black. I thought about leaving it aluminum. Somebody talked me out of that. We're going to put that plate right there. I could have painted it blue, but this way it matches the bumper. It's not as shiny bright as chrome. I made one for the other side, but I can't show it to you because it's a surprise for the owner. So he has to come and see it for himself. I'm not going to put it out there on the internet until he sees it in person. So I'm going to run the nut back here and tighten this up. So we can angle this over here towards the license plate, keep the cops happy. And for the bottom one, got the same thing. These are pretty small. They're not that wide, so they don't stick out too far. The hard part is going to be tightening them up. I don't know how they're going to shine until we turn them on. They say 180. So from a distance it doesn't look too out of the place. So these are the original plugs to the license plate lights. They are both hot when you turn the lights on. So it's not a cross through current situation. So what I'm going to do is wire them up together. Alright? But I'm going to come through down here like this, so I can tuck this wire back in. Oh, it went way down in there. Son of a bitch! Don't do that again. So let's check it real fast. This is hot, remember, so don't let it ground itself out on anything. So that'll work just fine. They're not too bright. Go ahead and do it like that. And just a little touch with the wrench. Which is not going to be easy because it's angled and stuff. Pretty good. Need a light. New license plate lights and bracket installed. See? Almost invisible. Gotta put the other side on. But like I said, it's a surprise for the owner, so y'all don't get to see it. Thanks for watching. Stay well.